If you've been shopping for a Fisher Spa or a swim spa and you've come across the optional upgrade of the Fisher Wi-Fi and audio kit, you might be wondering what it is and if it's worth it. This short video tells you that and more. Hi, I'm Jay from Spa World, and in this short video, I'm going to explain to you what the Fisher Wi-Fi audio kit is and what it does. The optional Fisher Wi-Fi and audio kit is an upgrade that is available on all Fisher Spa models except for the Fisher 2. And this kit allows you to control and monitor your spa remotely using a smart device such as your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You may have noticed that the Fisher Spas come with the topside speakers pre-installed from the factory. However, to make these speakers work, you need to purchase this optional upgrade. It also allows you to stream music, podcast, and even your favorite audiobook. We also think this is a really cool feature because it's unusual to find an audio kit of this quality on spas in this price range. Hopefully this short video has helped you determine if the Fisher audio and Wi-Fi kit is right for you. Thank you for watching this short video, and for more tips and tricks, please visit our YouTube channel.